This integrated automatic production line combines magnetic tin can washing and negative pressure vacuum can sealing. Specially designed for tin can cleaning and vacuum sealing in the global food industry. Magnetic tin can washing adopts magnetic conveying and high-pressure washing structure, thoroughly cleaning inner and outer surfaces of tin cans, removing dust, impurities, and residues to ensure high hygiene standards before filling. Negative pressure vacuum sealing, equipped with professional negative pressure vacuum technology, effectively extracting air inside cans to form a stable vacuum environment, extending shelf life, preventing oxidation and deterioration, and ensuring food safety and freshness. The two machines are seamlessly connected, realizing automatic continuous operation from can washing to vacuum sealing, greatly improving production efficiency and reducing manual labor. Suitable for various sizes and specifications of tin cans used in seafood, meat, fruit, vegetable, REDE meal, and pet food industry.